In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet template. This guide will walk you through the process, making it easy and straightforward. Let's dive in and get started. First, open the Smartsheet you wish to turn into a template. This might be a project you've been working on that you find useful, and you believe it could serve as a foundation for future projects or for others in your team. Once you've got the appropriate sheet in front of you, you're ready to start transforming it into a template. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on the File menu. This is your go-to spot for many essential functions within Smartsheet, including saving your work, printing, and in this case, creating templates. From the drop-down list of options, you will see the choice Save as Template. Click on this, and you're on your way to customizing your template. Next, the Save as Template window will appear. Here, you have the opportunity to give your template a name. It's important to choose a name that clearly reflects the content or purpose of the template, so it's easily recognizable for yourself or anyone else who may use it in the future. If you'd like, you can also add a description. This is where you can provide additional context about the template's intended use or any special instructions for those who will be using it. The clearer the name and description, the more helpful the template will be. Within the same window, you'll see options to include any attachments and comments from the original sheet in your template. Think about whether these elements will be useful for every new sheet made from this template. If attachments or discussions are integral to understanding how to use the sheet, you might want to include them. If they're specific to the current instance of your project, you might opt to leave those out. Once you've got everything set the way you want it, the final step is saving the template. Simply click OK to complete the process. Congratulations, your sheet is now saved as a template. By following these steps, you've created a reusable template that can enhance productivity and standardize processes within your team or organization. Templates not only save time, but also ensure consistency in how work is carried out. Smartsheet templates can be particularly valuable for recurring workflows, streamline collaboration, and simplify the onboarding process for new team members. I hope this guide was both clear and helpful as you create your own templates in Smartsheet. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials.